Good afternoon. I'm Tech Sergeant Lacey Hendrix. On behalf of the Staff Judge Advocate in the 39th Air Base Wing Legal Office, welcome to Incirlik Air Base. Incirlik is a pretty unique base and has a few unique requirements. The first one is that you need a power of attorney in order to get your TMO or household goods delivered. We are open Monday through Friday, 0800 to 1630 on a walk-in basis. If you need any other kind of power of attorney, such as purchasing or selling a vehicle back home, real estate transactions, or dependent ID card renewal, you can fill out the worksheet on the Legal Assistance website. Once that's complete, bring us the ticket number and we can get you taken care of. Same will go for if you need a will, a living will, or any kind of healthcare directive. In addition to legal documents, our office can also provide legal assistance on domestic and consumer issues, so long as you're not already being represented by a civilian attorney. Any kind of lease issues, divorce, or consumer matters can be addressed within our office. Please call 676-6800 to schedule an appointment. If you're given a subpoena, demand, or request from a non-military court that's related to your official position or duty, please bring that document into the office as soon as possible. When traveling, make sure that you have your NATO orders, NATO card, gate pass, and CAC to avoid issues with exit and re-entry both into the country and the installation. If you taped or extended to be here for an additional year, ensure that your NATO orders will not expire while you are on leave. If you purchase something from off-base vendors, ask for receipts. If you custom order a product like bed set, carpets, or anything else, you're on the hook for that payment. Now we're going to talk about Bayanami. Bottom line is if you bring something that's on your Bayanami, make sure you leave with it regardless if it's broken or you don't want it anymore. Due to the black market laws, an item that you brought here that's worth $200 can cost you up to 5 times the amount if it does not depart with you. If something is stolen that's on your Bayanami, make a report with security forces and come to our office to get it taken care of. Now we're going to talk about driving. Driving in Turkey, you have to have a valid state driver's license. If your license will expire while you're here or it's already expired, come to our office a couple days prior to it expiring in order for an extension memo to be created for you. Similar to the United States, drinking and driving is also prohibited and it's taken very seriously. Turkey uses a lower limit than the US when it comes to drinking and driving, and they use a .063 scale. Additionally, while we are used to being able to speak freely and say what we want, you can be criminally prosecuted in the country of Turkey for being offensive and getting into altercations with Turkish nationals. Overall, remember that we are guests in this country and act with respect to their home as well as be a positive representation of the United States. You're going to be subject to Turkish law. While the military and the legal office will request to have jurisdiction over crimes that are committed by our U.S. personnel, it's not guaranteed, and it's not a part of our SOFA agreement that Turkey has to grant that request. If you're apprehended by Turkish police, you are afforded rights under the NATO SOFA. Notify your command, security forces, and the legal office immediately. Present your I am an American card or NATO card and refrain from signing anything before a translator is provided for you. In the event of a natural disaster, damages to your property, or blackouts that cause food spoilage, you may potentially be reimbursed. Come to the legal office for further processing on any kind of claims. If your things were damaged during your PCS due to TMO, you may also be reimbursed for those through the Air Force Claims Service Center. The biggest thing with this, take photos. If you have any questions, we can be reached at 676-6800. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Welcome to Incirlik.